I remember we got a telegram from a lady in Texas. All the telegram said was, beat those commie bastards. And it had nothing to do with a hockey game. This is how people in this country looked at that game. That's why the moment was so special. The last time I wore this jersey was when we played the Soviets. And beat the Soviets, may I add. I think the benefits that I will hopefully receive from all this stuff is going to do a lot of great things for a lot of great people. And that's what life's all about. You're supposed to give back. We were given, and my teammates and I were given an incredible moment and an opportunity. And look at what it's done for my life and what it's given me. So shame on me if I don't give back.
Holding Mike Eruzione's hockey stick, the very stick that he used to score the game-winning goal against the Soviet Union in the Miracle on Ice, it's indescribable. It's really it's why I do this. It's why I love this.